you may recognize we're in a little bit different setting than normal. And we're just inside my BMW. But this is going to be our weekly video where, just giving you guys an update of what's going on and that type of deal. So the reason why I'm sitting in the BMW today is that I actually was on a family trip this weekend and I ended up in Gary, Indiana, and my transmission started, and the BMW started having problems. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with it because I need to get this stuff to diagnose it, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys what's going on. That way you get an idea of the type of car problems I've been having. I'm just a normal person, just like you, so when I have a car problem, I'll go ahead and share it with you and let you know how I fix it. Definitely gonna fix it myself, but I just gotta get there. Just gotta get all the equipment and stuff. So let me show you real quick. So I go to turn the car on. Everything works like normal. I'm turning the key all the way. Nothing happens. So I read online that that's because these steering column switches in here, they have an electronic like a lockout, put you in like fail-safe mode. So sometimes the electric switches in here, they actually fail on their own without even like the key having a problem or anything like that. So the way to fix that, according to the internet, is to go ahead and so what they want you to do is go ahead and replace the steering lock switch or some assembly. It matches up with your key. And basically, for some reason, they stop working, and then the car thinks you stole it, so it starts shifting hard and like acting weird. So that's what I'm dealing with. I'm probably gonna fix that tomorrow. If I do get it fixed, I'll go ahead and make a video about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through the garage so we can see what we got going on in the garage. There's not much. I got the Camaro up on jack stands, and we're getting things put. So as you see, I've still got the Camaro up on jack stands. My garage is a mess. I still got all the junk in the back seat of the Camaro from our wedding. It was on the 6th of July. But yeah, I got the LS cylinder head sitting right here with the upgraded valve springs. I'm just sitting here waiting. I don't have head gaskets yet and the head studs to put the heads on the engine. I'll go ahead and get that recorded for you guys when I get there. And then this engine, this is the 350 TPI that we took out of our Camaro. So if anybody wants this engine, you go ahead and let me know in the comments. It's still up for sale. I bet you if you see this video in a month or two, it'll still be up for sale. No one's really been hitting me up about it. But the transmission's going with the engine too. It's a 700 R4. It's original to this Camaro. I just want to get rid of it. A little bit more of an update. So as you can see, we got the engine and transmission out. I haven't really cleaned any of this stuff up. Like, we got all these electrical grounds and stuff over here I need to clean up. I need to delete this vapor canister over here in the corner. That's for the emissions with the TPI. It was already deleted. They just didn't actually physically remove it. They just unhooked it. So it's just cleaning up this car, getting it a little bit nicer. It's been beat up. That's what almost 50 years of neglect will do to you. I mean, I got this car from my father. He didn't really take that great of care of it, So I don't think he had it the entire time. I don't think he's had it since the 80s, but he still didn't take very good care of it. So that's why it's in the condition it is. But I got a little 4060 down here. That's gonna go with our LS. The LS is still over here covered up. I need to get an oil pan and put the heads on. But other than that, this engine's pretty much done. I already put the full rotating assembly in, the camshaft, the rear covers on, the front covers on, all that good deal. But yeah, that's where I'm at so far. That's what I've been doing. I haven't really gotten a whole lot done. I'm looking to get more done in the next upcoming weeks. We'll get the head gaskets, you know, the head studs, you know, that type of deal, and I'll record putting the heads on the engine. We need to get push rods, you know, just a little stuff, you know, not big deal. We'll get it all done, and then we'll start working on the paint and the engine bay. Comment down below what color you think we should paint the engine bay. I'm thinking about painting the engine bay a different color than the rest of the car. That way, like, when you look at it, it just like pops out. But go ahead and let me know. What color should we paint it? I was thinking like a yellow, like a bright yellow, or maybe like some type of blue or something like that. I just want my engine bay to look totally different than the outside of the car. I think that'd look real clean. We're gonna delete a lot of this stuff in here. I might go ahead and do a Hydro Boost brake booster right there. Go ahead and delete the HVAC over here and just do a delete panel. This is where the battery sits. I might just move the battery to the trunk. That way we don't got nothing up here in these areas. I think it would just make it look cleaner and a lot nicer to work on. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much where we're at with this car and where we're at with repairing, you know, all the stuff we got working on. Going, you know, don't really expect these videos to do all that well, but if you have watched this far, maybe think about subscribing. I'm pretty sure most of the subscribers of the video are the people that are actually watching these type of videos. But yeah, if you run across this video and you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing. I'm just making regular car enthusiast type content, showing you guys how I repair my own vehicles. You know, if you have a similar vehicle, you know, I can answer questions, you know, that type of deal. But yeah, I think that's about it for this video. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe.